There's a yellow wind warning across Pembrokeshire today because of Storm Amy. So let's answer the question everyone asks. How bad is a yellow wind warning? With a storm like this, it means the wind is strong enough to cause real disruption, especially anywhere exposed. So I'm heading up to the Preseli hills to see what this thing actually feels like. You can tell when you're getting closer to the hills. The hedges get lower, the trees lean east, and the gusts hit the car in little punches. That's Storm Amy warming up. Storm Amy isn't your average bit of autumn weather. It's a deep, low-pressure system, the deepest ever recorded in the UK, in October, and it dropped all the way to 947.9 hectopascals. It's intensified fast, what meteorologists call explosive cyclogenesis, basically a weather bomb. The pressure dropped so quickly that it created a steep pressure gradient, and that gradient is what fires the wind across the country. Amy also tapped into a powerful jet stream, which dragged it across the Atlantic and helped it deepen. And it had extra fuel from the remnants of two hurricanes, Umberto and Imelda, adding heat and energy into the system. Put all that together and you get the kind of gusts that hit West Wales hard. This is the easiest access point to the ridge, but even here the wind is tearing over the top. It's about 1 kilometre to the summit across boggy ground, and Storm Amy is doing its best to keep things interesting. The ground up here is peat and blanket bog, basically a soaked sponge on the mountain. It slows flooding downstream and stores loads of carbon. But on a day like this, it also means every step shifts under you, while the wind shoves you around from the side. You really feel how alive the place is. This ridge is a perfect target. Amy's winds come straight off the Atlantic with nothing to break them, so Pembrokeshire gets the full belt of it. Gusts around here are looking at around 55 miles per hour. And I would say even more in areas where the wind is being funneled. And this is where you understand the warning. The wind hits you hard enough that you even lean into it. The jacket becomes a sail, and every step is a negotiation. Days like this show you how the landscape gets shaped, carved by centuries of days just like this one. Drop just a few metres and the world changes. The wind drops off, your balance returns, and suddenly it's almost calm. That's the Preselis. Microclimates everywhere, shifting with the tiniest bit of height and aspect. So, how bad is a yellow wind warning? In a storm like Amy, it means you should take conditions seriously. Not panic, just respect the weather. And honestly, days like this are the best reminder of how much is going on behind the forecast. If you feel like seeing Pembrokeshire on days most people stay at home, hit follow and come along for the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm Nico Valla, I'm the physical geographer. And if you like seeing Pembrokeshire on days most people will stay at home, hit follow and come along for the next one.